Hi, I'm Louis Jones with Mimaki USA. One of the most well-known applications in the sign and graphics industry is bookmaking. Whether it's novels, children's books, or personalized sketchbooks, bookmaking will always be needed. For this video, I partnered with Pellman Industries, a bookbinding company. With their binding machines and our prints made on UV rolled printers, we were able to make beautifully personalized 8.5 by 5 sketchbooks. Let's take you through a step-by-step guide on how we made them.
So to begin, I'm going to create my file in Illustrator. I've gotten this template for the 8.5 by 5.5 sketchbooks from Pellman Industries. You see this has the border and the workable area already built into the file. This green square on both sides is the safe zone, so I'm going to put all logos and artwork inside of that area. Once these are printed, I'm going to cut the corners. So to help with that cutting, I'm going to, in a separate layer, add in some cutting guides. These triangles on each one of the corners are just going to help me know where to cut on the paper once everything is printed. So I want my final print file to look like this, with my art and the borders visible and the original guiding lines turned off. So once these sheets are printed, I'm going to move over to Pellman's custom bookbinding machine, the 650. First things first, I use a cutting table to cut out the border of the sheets and the cutting guides that we put on the corners. Once I had the sheets cut, we applied the sheets using the vinyl to these book blanks. These blanks do have some resin already on them that helps with the adhesion, but because we use repositionable material, it's easy to pull back up and readjust the material on the board if you make a mistake. You should see there is a border around the finished artwork, and that's because we are now using the cut off corners to fold in the excess to the back of the inside of the books. Now the book is ready to press. We'll put these black mirror sheets down and some parchment paper to protect the resin in the middle of the book. All right, and now that the book is finished being pressed, you just move it up to the top of the machine for the spinding process. Now, once the spine is added, it is ready for the blank sheets to be added to the inside, and can heat the spine up to allow the resin to adhere the sheets to the book.